The hillman. Everyone knew that the hillmen were terrified of thunder. The sound of it frightened them. And when they heard drums beating, it sounded so much like thunder that they were frightened of drums too. If anyone played a drum where they lived, they would get up and go away. A farmer had a hillman for a friend. His wife had a baby, and a great christening was to be held at the church. If I invite him, my neighbors will not attend, and even the priest may be upset, thought the farmer. But I cannot leave him out, for he is a good and kind friend. The farmer had a servant who looked after his farm animals. He was known to be very clever. So, the farmer called him and told him the problem. The farmhand said, "I will take care of it, sir." He took a sack and went to the hillman's house. The clever farmhand. When the farmhand went to the hillman's house, he said, "My master sends his compliments to you, sir. He has sent me to invite you for the christening of his child." The hillman thanked him and said he would give a christening present. The farmhand opened the sack and waited. The hillman put some money into the sack. "Do you think that is enough?" he asked. "Sir, I think some have given more," replied the farmhand. When he had filled up as much as he could carry, he thanked the hillman and asked permission to leave. "Who all are coming to the christening?" asked the hillman. "There are all the great men of the countryside, priests, and the bishop," said the farmhand. "Will there be music?" asked the hillman. "Yes, sir. The band with the drums is coming," said the farmhand happily. The hillman did not go for the christening after all. Hans' luck. When it was time for Hans to go home after 7 years of service, he asked his master for wages. His master gave him a huge piece of silver, almost as big as his head. He carried it in a sack, but was getting rather tired when he saw a man on horseback. He exchanged the silver for the horse, thinking he had a good bargain. But the horse galloped so hard that he was flung off. He was feeling painfully injured when he saw a man leading a cow and thought it wise to exchange the horse for a cow. "I'll get milk and cheese and butter," he thought. The man readily exchanged his cow for the horse. But Hans could not get a drop of milk out of the poor old cow. He sat down by the roadside, wondering what to do with the cow. "Perhaps I'll get lucky again," he thought. Foolish Hans. Hans saw a man trundling a pig in a wheelbarrow and thought a fat pig was better than the cow. So he exchanged it, rejoicing at his good fortune. But then he was stopped by a man carrying a fat goose. The farmer's pig was stolen, said the man. Take care, or he'll charge you as a thief. Hans got worried and gave the man the pig and took the goose. The man went off with the pig. Later, Hans met a man sharpening scissors on a grinding stone. He told him all about his exchanges. The man said he could give him an excellent stone for grinding. He gave Hans a rock lying on the roadside and walked off with the goose. Crossing a river with the heavy stone, Hans stumbled and the stone fell in with a splash. How lucky, thought Hans. Now I don't have to carry that burden. And he went home whistling. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.